Meaning of famished.
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 Famished. Famished means being extremely hungry to the point of physical weakness and discomfort. It is a state of severe hunger that may result from not having eaten for a prolonged period or not having access to adequate food. The sensation of famishment is characterized by a gnawing feeling in the stomach, lightheadedness, weakness, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. If left untreated, it can lead to malnutrition, dehydration, and even death. Therefore, it is crucial to address the issue of famishment promptly by providing adequate nutrition and hydration to the affected individual.